Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be doing a quick introduction to the channel for some Ryobi 4-inch clamp fans. Paul Charlie Frank 02 is the model number, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody? Hope you guys are doing well. So before we get started, this is going to be a introduction video. It's going to be a short video, as short as I can get it. We're going to be introducing some Ryobi tools to the lineup of tools that I own, as well as my wife owns. Here's some more Ryobi tools down here we got to do videos on. I mainly got into the Ryobi line because I wanted some of their oddball tools that nobody else has. Ryobi is the only company I know of that has an 18-inch cord and cordless hybrid fan. Picked up these guys because I thought they would be really useful. One for me, one for my wife that she can use whenever she wants, and an extra one that I'm going to put in the closet with all the other spare tools, things that come in handy during power outages, stuff like that. Also got a larger fan right here. I'm going to be picking up the misting fan, as well as going to be picking up the air cannon and some other oddball tools. I picked up both of their rotary tools that they have. Picked up both of the grease guns, the mini that just came out, and then the older 305. The 306 is the mini. It has a little dock station, which is this guy right here. And then the 307 is the new large full size that's supposed to be out that has a high and a low for the heat gun. Before we get started real quick, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. We're going to be doing head-to-head tool videos. Everything from DeWalt, Milwaukee, Bosch, Makita, DeWalt, 8 volt, 12 volt, 20 volt, 60 volt, and 120 volt flex volt. Makita 12 volt, 18 volt, 36 volt X2, as well as 40 volt and 80 volt for Makita. Bosch corded and cordless 18 volt core. I don't have any of their 12 volt tools. We might pick some up with channel money if you guys want to see it later down the road. Milwaukee M18 and M12 brushed and brushless. Fuel as well. We got Metabo HPT 18 volt and 36 volt multi-volt table saw. We got the hammer drill and the impact driver, and the router is going to be coming to the channel soon, the multi-volt 36 volt router, plunge router. Got Bosch sticks, 18 volt Bosch sticks. I don't have any of the 20 volt Bosch sticks. Do have corded Porter cable. We have the Earthquake XT 12 volt and 20 volt line of cordless tools from Harbor Freight. So we're going to be doing head-to-heads. We're going to pick up some jaw horses, some Sheetmaster jaw horses we can clamp the wood in. I need them, and they'll help with the channel as well. And we're going to be clamping wood in, and we're just going to go to town, do head-to-heads, you know, stuff like that. So if that's something that interests you guys, smush the bell notification icon. So I already unpackaged these. All the videos that I do where I've already unpackaged something, I call these the introduction videos, so you guys don't have to see me take them out the boxes. They came bare tools, $19 a piece. It was $64 out the door. I've already charged these batteries. These batteries are fully charged, all three of these. Took almost exactly, I believe, from what timing I had. I put these batteries on charge at 5:05 or 5:04, and at 7:04 the lights stopped blinking. They were solid green. The batteries were fully charged. So it took 2 hours to charge these batteries. So I guess it's a good thing that I have, you know, 6 of these batteries, since I bought 3 starter kits, 3 chargers. They are slow chargers, trickle chargers. I just put them right here for now. You can see them flashing. They're on top of my M12 fuel wet dry vac, and that's hanging on the wall. And I just put the chargers here for now, just because I have all these plugs. One thing I don't like about these green chargers from Ryobi is these bricks are really, really warm. You know, my 12 amp DeWalt charger right here doesn't get that hot. So that's interesting. The other thing I don't like is you can't remove the cables. I don't like how thin the line is, and I don't like that it's on a charging brick. They could have put it on just a plug, you know, a small little plug like this. But I have them sitting here for now until I mount them on the wall. You can mount these chargers. I'll probably mount them here or something. I don't know yet where I'm gonna mount them. Could mount them on this side, you know, but these fans are pretty powerful for what they are. I do like that they can clamp. They have what feels like a rubbery felt on both sides, on the clamp side and the platform side. You can clamp as wide as a 2x4 for these, so that's the max jaw capacity. It doesn't say what the airflow is that I can tell. Oh, CFM, over 180 cubic feet a minute. It does not say whether that's on high or low. I have no idea. There's a lot of people on YouTube that do more detailed videos on Ryobi. I'm very new to Ryobi. Blade dimensions, 4-inch. 2x4 clamp capacity, 2-speed setting for variable flow, multi-directional rotating head. And they do. I would think that this head rotates, if you're holding it in your hand and it's facing you to the right, about 60 degrees, about 80 degrees. To the left, about 120 degrees or so. It's close to about 250 or so degrees of rotation. Turn the head down, it will go facing at itself down, I don't know, about 40 degrees or so. When you go backwards, it goes a lot further. I would say total probably 240 or so degrees out of a full 360, which is pretty nice. They are moderately quiet. They're not very loud. That's low. It is kind of warm in my house net right now because I have my cooler off, and it's 118 degrees outside right now, but I have my cooler off because it's not that hot in here. It's about 74 or 75. I'm about 3 feet away from the fan, about 1.5 feet from the camera. I can feel the fan on low from here, and it's got to be somewhere in the range of about 60 degrees of air. On high, it is a little bit louder. Definitely a lot more airflow, so it might be saying 180 cubic foot a minute might be the high. Low might be 90, 100 as my guess. It's a very nice switch setup. If I wanted to, I clamp it like that. It does clamp with no issues. You can rotate it. So it's now hanging on the side. If I wanted to point it that direction or this direction. So it's nice. You can clamp it to chairs. You can clamp it because they promote it for camping and other stuff like camping. You know, clamp it to 2x4s. You know, if you're working on a construction site. They mainly promote it for camping. You can clamp it to like a camping chair on the armrest, you know, when you have your soda in front of it or whatever. And I might use it for camping. When me and my wife go camping and our kids go with us. Some of my kids don't like camping, some of them do. But if I go camping, I'll bring 1 or 2 of these. We'll see how well they do. Maybe all 3 of them. The kids can argue over one. You know, kids. But, I like them. I think they're definitely worth the $19 a piece. I definitely like the cost of what they are asking for them. $19 is a great price for these. I went out of my way 120 something miles because for whatever reason my local store sold out of them and they don't have any more. And the other 3 stores I went to, they're like, oh, we don't have that. I've never even seen that. I don't think we've ever gotten that. And when we look it up, it states that it's out of season. I don't see how in Arizona, 118 degrees today and it's June 12th, how a fan could be out of season. But, you know, it is what it is. Like I said at the very beginning, you know, if you guys want to see demo videos, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. I will be buying more Ryobi tools. I want to pick up the soldering station that they have as well. Give that a try. I do a lot of electrical and soldering on vehicles, so that will come in handy just to pop a battery in it. See how well it does. Give some videos and updates on stuff like that. Want to say thank you to all of you guys for hanging out with me today on this quick little introduction video. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Y'all have an awesome rest of your day. Peace!